Charge. Reason to love your cat, number 482. So say you want a paper snowflake making party. But we all know that can get a little out of hand and leave lots of scraps. This is where you need the help of your trusty pal, Snowball. All you do, you take Snowball, rub him on this here handy plastic rod, and voila, you have paper bits attracted to the plastic rod and pick. This phenomenon can be explained by electric charge. We know that frictional forces add charge to or remove it from an object. Taking a closer look at the atom shows us there are two kinds of charge: negative, excess electrons, and positive, lacking electrons. We know also that opposite charges attract and like charges repel. Charge is created when an electron in the outer valence shell is removed. This happens because these electrons are a greater distance from the nucleus and therefore feel a decreased attractive force from the positive charge. Snowball was able to charge the broom handle because friction causes molecular bonds to break and forces ionization of charges. One piece gains, the other loses charge. This brings us to the idea that there is a law of conservation of charge. Charge can be transferred, but net charge is always zero. So in Snowball's case, Snowball gave electrons to the plastic ruler, which gained the same amount of electrons that were given. When it comes to charge, there are insulators and conductors. In an insulator, charge cannot move through it, but it can be charged by rubbing it, but only the part that is rubbed is charged. Conductors, on the other hand, are charge carriers because they have a sea of electrons, which can carry charge throughout it. These electrons tend to be on the surface because they experience repulsive forces, and you can charge conductors by contacting them with a charged insulator. A charged rod causes charge polarization or separation in neutral objects. Once charge is polarized, the attractive force is greater than the repulsive force due to a larger distance between the repulsive and the charged force. This causes a net attractive force. This is what happened with Snowball's charged plastic rod and the paper bits.